So, is this the final version?
Yeah, I guess so. That reaction is what native speakers hear when you say I guess so. They hear I don't know, I don't care, I'm not confident.
Even when you're right. English isn't just correct or incorrect.
It has levels of certainty, and those levels change how professional you sound.
Today, we'll upgrade 3 common phrases that make learners sound unsure.
We also made a worksheet for this video, so you can practice upgrading your certainty step by step. You'll find it linked in the description.
Let's get into it. So, is this the final version?
Yeah, I guess so.
Ooh, that sounds like you didn't really check.
Here's the upgrade. I think so means you have a reason. I'm pretty sure means that you trust that reason.
Examples.
I'm pretty sure this is the final version.
Clean, confident, not aggressive.
If you have even one reason, don't say I guess so.
Will the schedule change?
Maybe.
Maybe often sounds like guessing.
Upgraded like this. It might is cautious. It's likely sounds informed.
Example. It's likely the schedule will change.
If it's more than 50%, stop saying maybe.
Quick pause.
If you want to practice English like this, we run 2 programs outside this channel.
EnglishPro is our personalized lesson program for learners preparing for meetings, interviews, or exams.
And ProSpeak is our corporate training program for professionals who need English at work.
Links are in the description.
I'm not sure, but I think this is better.
You weaken your sentence before you even spoke.
Try this instead. Example.
Based on what we have, this is the best option.
Start with a reason, not doubt.
Can we send this to the client?
I think it's okay.
That sounds nervous, like you want someone else to decide.
Upgrade. This works isn't rude. It's clear. Example.
This works. Let's send it.
So here is the certainty ladder. I guess so.
I think so.
I'm pretty sure.
It's likely.
This works.
Most learners stay at the bottom.
Professionals don't. Which sounds the most confident? A. I guess it's fine. B. I think it's fine. C. This is fine.
Write your answer in the comments.
You don't need perfect English.
You need the right certainty level.
Correct words with the wrong certainty create the wrong impression.
If you want to practice these properly,
We made a worksheet for this video to help you upgrade your certainty in real situations. You'll find it in the description.
And if this kind of English helps you,
Subscribe to That Makes Sense.
またね